Now, tomorrow we have some very, very important inflation data. So I want to keep you guys prepared for tomorrow and what to kind of expect for tomorrow and how you can actually see the data. Now, overall, as you guys know, there are a lot of catalysts this month on July. So I made a whole video on this. We have the interest rate decision, we have the consumer price index, which is tomorrow, and overall, we have July 28th, which is kind of like the recession date announcements. So overall, it creates less opportunity for trades because the risk to reward is not there. So, I hope you guys are understanding why I've been kind of trading less because, we have these catalysts which are, coin flip, and I have to hold my trades for multiple days because I do, swing trades. So overall, I hope you guys kind of understand, my perspective, and you don't have to trade every day, kind of wait until the dust settles. So overall, let's get started. So basically on tomorrow, right, pre-market, so we have 8:30 Eastern time. So this is 1 hour before market open. We are going to be getting the consumer price index. Now this website kind of gives us what we're expecting and then the previous report. Now how do you actually view the data? So right around pre-market open, just go to cnbc.com and it'll have the report as a headline. So if it's a good report or a bad report, it'll have the report and then the numbers. So that is one way of viewing the report for the inflation report. Now, the second thing to keep in mind is, again, it is a coin flip. So we don't know if it's going to be good or it's going to be bad. But next thing that I actually want to take a look at is the technical analysis. So I'll be just taking a look at the S&P 500. But I just want to keep you guys prepared because we have a lot of catalysts and it's just really, really hard to trade and especially to do swings in this market. Especially on Thursday, we have the producer price index, which is another inflation data. So let's take a look at the technical analysis for SPY. My main support right now is around 375, and my next support is around 361. Now it all depends upon the inflation data because if we do see inflation declining, we could see a very, very nice relief rally if we do see inflation declining. But not only that, just keep in mind that we also have a lot of earnings, and these earnings, it's going to be very, very interesting because, again, just another coin flip, so we don't know. So overall, it's just very, very hard to kind of swing in this market unless you're kind of doing day trades. So that is why I've been kind of alerting less and why I've been making less videos, because I'm waiting for the dust to settle. So overall, a very, very simple video. These are kind of like the two levels of support, but it all depends upon how the inflation data comes. If we do have inflation worsening, we could have a ton of panic, and it could just cause a huge bloodbath because, as you guys can see, this consolidation right over here, right when we broke this was because of the inflation data, and we had a massive drop of about over 12%. So overall, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Very, very simple video. And again, please watch my previous video because I go in very, very in depth on when you can actually expect the bottom and what the bottom can be, and overall all of the catalysts for this week, this month. Bye bye.